our pangalan is nakasulat Gastos.
85 look na ba? 85 looks.
I can explain you, Calix. I thought you would like them. I thought you would like them, Calix.
What did you say? What did you say?
Ang gawa-gawa lang.
Kahit ang daming chaser dito sa kama.
Ang gawa-gawa sa ganyan.
Na, okay lang. Kahit ako na ganyan.
Uy, gawa-gawa. Gawa-gawa daw yung bird. What did you say?
Verse 1.
I give up. Parang hindi pang yung bag mo yun.
First one. Tama nga.
In the beginning.
Hi. Ano
Good
problema
morning.
sa bag? Ano naman kung cute yung bag mo?
Bag niya parang
Kasi yung sabi na pwede ka mag-record. You know, this is a private school. This is Brighton Day Academy.
Nakaaway na to si Robiel.
Bawal. Pakita nga ng phone case. Mabait pala.